how to find best-selling products on Amazon. This video will tell you how you can find best-selling products on Amazon and if it's really best-selling. So this video will be geared towards you drop shippers, so you can find winning products, so you can sell sell really well. Okay, so the first step is to find your product, right? So let's see on Amazon. Let's find the top sellers, right? So usually you will see these top selling products, and you will want to mimic their um, sales, right? And you want to find drop shippable products. Now, let's say in kitchen, for example, right? Now you will have the top selling products over here on Amazon. Let's find the top sellers. So as you can see, you have this pepper mill, very retro, very vintage. As you can see, 100 plus bought in past month. Now, one thing that you can do to see that this product is really selling is the review from Amazon. Okay, so if we scroll down and find the reviews, now as you can see, um, the reviews are quite um, quite stretching on the dates over here. Now this purchase, they have purchased in 2017, 2022, and 2021. And now this shows that the reviews are pretty spans for quite some year, right? So this product has been sold and has been sold a lot of times and for a long time, and maybe they've grown. And I think for this particular product, it's not very good to drop ship because it's just been sold for too long, I think. Now, as you can see, go to the reviews and most recent. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of reviews for the past month, and it stretches for a few months, for 1 month or 2 months. Now, as you can see, this product has already settled, and the reviews itself, they're spanning over a few months, so it's not really crazy selling or anything, but it is a good selling product. It is a winning product for the maker, so it's good for them, but not something that you are looking for in drop shipping. Now, I've known a trending product, so let's search that product on Amazon. It's a mini mop. It's a very genius invention, I think, and as you can see, it is selling well. Over here now you can see there are a lot of sellers. Now they have they have either like 50 plus or 300 plus or 100 plus. They sell great, right? Now now if we take a look at this particular advertisement, as you can see, they have 100 plus bought, and this is also 300 plus bought. Now you can tell just from the get-go this product is winning, right? Now, to verify if it is really selling out or not, you can find the AliExpress. So to the next step, after you find a winning product on Amazon by seeing their review and ratings, you can find the mini mop on AliExpress. So because, well, AliExpress is the go-to website for you to drop ship, right? So let's find mini mop on AliExpress. Now from here you can see that you can see how much of these types of products are being drop shipped, because as you can see, this particular advertisement has sold 2,000 plus mini mops, right? And this is 4,000 plus. It's a top selling product, and there are a lot of people drop shipping it. So these numbers just shows how winning this product is, because this is pretty new. This is a pretty new product. Like I think it's just a few months old, and it's been sold very well. Now, the next thing that you want to do after you find the AliExpress for this thing, well, in AliExpress you can do the usual, like you can contact the supplier and make and ask them for branding your product. And when you've added a branding for your product on AliExpress, you can sell better, right? Of course. Now, the next thing that we want to do, once we have verified that it is selling on Amazon and it is selling on AliExpress, that means that there are buyers who bought it, and there are drop shippers, a lot of drop shippers who are buying this product and selling it. Okay, so the next thing that we want to do is go to Facebook ad library to find if that product is being advertised well, because a heavily advertised product means that product is it's winning. So let's just find the country to all, and let's find Minimap on the search bar. Now, if you cannot find your Facebook ad library, just Google it, Facebook ad library. It will find the it will show you the web page for this. Okay, so let's find Minimap. All right. Now, what you can see on the Minimap, on the advertisements here, is to find if the ads are selling, and if it is repeatedly being advertised. So as you can see, this is the Minimap. It is inactive. They only do the campaign for 5 days. Now let's see if we have similar advertisements than this. So let's see summary details, and there you go. Now, as you can see, it has been actively republished. As you can see, the advertiser maker does create multiple ads for this. And when someone advertises this much, even though this is inactive, when someone advertises this much, the product gotta be winning, right? Because it's a lot of money to advertise on Facebook. And as you can see, they are targeting the German market from the language, I think. And even though they only advertise from March 3rd to March 8th, you can see that they have made like multiple advertisements, and maybe they're happy with the product and they just want to find new products. But again, this advertisers does heavily advertise the Minimap, and this just shows how selling the products is. Okay, another is this product over here. Let's find, there you go. Like there, okay, so there are active advertisements, as you can see. This is oh, here's another advertisement from Poland, and there you go. And let's find an active product. Okay, let's find an active advertisement. Let's find the active ads for Minimaps. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, there you go. Let's find the Minimap, and if it's being active. Okay, let's see the ad details for this. This is pretty new. It's just been advertised 2 days ago. Let's find how this advertisement does. Now, I think this has just been running, but as you can see, people are advertising this product, and there are active advertisements for this Minimap. So once again, this product does winning. So there are 3 metrics, right? I repeat. So one is the product is being bought by your end user, your seller, and you see that in the Amazon reviews, as you can see. However, maybe this product does not have good quality control. It's a matter of supplier, really. But you can see that there are buyers from Amazon for the end price, as you can see, 100 plus bought in the past month. Now, once you saw the the selling capacity and the review, you can find that if the reviews checks out and it is spanning over a not so long period of time, then the buyers are real, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to find it on AliExpress and see if it's good selling. Now there are there's an obvious disparity here on the drop shipping. I think people are also importing it and and selling this product offline, which is great. But on AliExpress, if you look at the product, it is selling very well. Like thousands of products are sold, and again, this is a new product, as I said, just a few months old. This has sold 10,000 plus products. This has sold 10,000 like minimum, and this just shows that there are people who are supplying this product, like people are who are buying it to sell it again, right, on AliExpress. Now the last metric that we want to see is the ads library and see if the product is actively advertised or not, because if it's actively advertised, then that product must be worthwhile to be advertised. So that is how you find a winning product from those three like barometers, you can say. Thank you. Good luck.